So the press is already talking about it. The WEISS product portfolio includes one of the largest modular systems for the battery segment for electric mobility. For this, I welcome Mr. Lou Ifan. He is director of the battery segment at WEISS. So, Mr. Lou, when people talk about the battery production for automotive industry, they normally talk about Panasonic, LG, CATL, BYD. But to be honest, WEISS is not on their radar in this area.
Yes, you are right. They are the top battery manufacturer in the world, and WEISS, we are one of the most important component supplier in battery manufacture with our rotary table, with our transfer system, with our handling, and also our access combinations.
Very interesting, Mr. Lou. That means for how long have you been active in this area?
We have been working for more than 4 years for our top 10 battery manufacturers in the world. So most of them are now in China.
So why are the WEISS components so popular, and what makes WEISS better than others?
Some can transport fast and some can very precisely positioning. But WEISS, we can do the fast transport and at the same time precisely positioning. So a very important point is in one project we have delivered our rotary table with 4 stations. This manufacturing line are running till now already for more than 4 years. I think only WEISS can do it.
Could you please mention the very unique advantages WEISS can offer, especially in the battery production?
Yeah, you also see the e-vehicles are developing so quick in the last few years, and from our products in last few years we have got so many experience, and with those know-hows we can bring it to our customer. So WEISS, we have the first class products, we have our experience in battery manufacture, and we also focus on our customer. So I think this can only be done by WEISS.
Very interesting, Mr. Lou. So e-mobility has been a very big issue in the media for years. What would you say, the e-car, when will the e-car come, or does it come at all?
Yeah, I think the e-cars are coming. In 6 years, that means 2024, the e-cars were coming. That means at that time, you would like to buy an e-car than a traditional cars. At that time, we have lower cost for our battery, we have better technology, and I think for the charge, you can find a charge station everywhere, and also the people, they are prepared to buy an e-car at that time.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lou. This has been a great summary for my visit today. Thanks a lot. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope I did not promise too much, and I really look forward having you tune into our next show. Many thanks and bye-bye.